Hello everyone. Hello. Make sure I'm looking appropriate. How you guys doing today? I haven't tapped in anyone. Okay, so you all first, let's take a sip. This may be just cranberry juice or it may be wine. But how do you guys know? Because I drink my wine and cranberry juice with ice. So let's get this party started. All right, so for Memorial Day weekend, I did some shopping. But my makeup, I actually did it about a week and 2 days early. And let me just tell you, I've been dying to get, first of all, I got this Juvia's Place foundation brush. You guys will be seeing me use that. Also, I got this set of Juvia's Place brushes. So let me just take some of these out. This can be used as a foundation brush also. And this brush. And this brush. This brush. Oh, stay tuned. It gets good. And this brush. So this all came as a set. It only took about 7 days for me to receive this brush. Hey, Donna. Girl, I'll talk to you. I got some stuff to talk to you about, girl. I've been busy. This brush. This brush. I know how you love your makeup too. And this brush. So, this Juvia's Place set of brushes. Let's see. How much did I pay for this? Oh, where's the set? Oh, $35. So that's not bad. And then for this brush, I paid $12. Everything was 50% off. Something like that. And this was only for Memorial Day weekend. And they started this sale like 2 weeks earlier. Prior to Memorial Day. Then I got me some more setting powder. Yes. And let's see what this looks like. Ooh, I can't wait to put the phone to my wood. Okay. And this is the Sahara. Ooh, I can read this without my... And boom. Guys, see, I don't have my contacts in either. And I can see... So I'm just looking natural. I have nothing on right now. No makeup on. No makeup. No contacts. You know I got to have my hair on though. Ooh. Okay. Next I got this. I had two different types of foundation. Oh God. I cannot see this one. But anyways, I got this foundation. Okay, and this is the Nubia, okay, $4. And then I got another foundation. You guys want to see what this looks like? And what does this say? Sokoto. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at what these look like. $4 a piece. What? You all know I love my Juvia's Place. Let's see if I could do a swap. Bam on ya. Okay. So that. And I don't need the boxes because I'm going to. All right. And then this is what the other color looks like. See that? Let's swipe that one. Let's see. So they kind of look, oh, this is horrible, to the same shade, almost, what? Oh my, they're very close in shade, girl. Okay, You guys got to stay tuned, all right? I'm going to skip these for a minute. No, I'm not. So, I already have this one. Do I have this one? Yes, I already have this one. Bam! So, I think some of you seen this one. And now I need to open it. I need another. See, that's why I wanted to skip this one. I don't have anything to open these. Okay, hold on. Let's go to really what I want to show you guys. And then we'll come back to all of these. So let me just show you. Got this. I'll show you guys the colors when I do my makeup. How about that? Got that one. I already have these two. I don't have this one. So I'm keeping that one. And I don't have this one either. So when I do my makeup and y'all follow me either on, you know, those other social media avenues I'm on. But this is what I wanted to show you guys right here. Bam, baby. It finally came. Like this here, this right here, this one right here. This is a limited edition. Woo-hoo, baby. And did y'all read that? It's the bronzy collection. Hold up. Take a look at this right here, baby. Yeah. Woo. I bet you guys want to know what's in this box. I'm about to tell you as soon as I take a little. Okay. So this bronze collection was with taxes and shipping 11. Okay, I'll say it like this. $111.56. So $111.56, baby. And let's see how much, like, let's see if it's worth that. Well, I can tell you, there's no makeup like glow makeup. All right, so here we go. This is what this one looks like. And let me see if I can read this color. This is the tan. And this is a bronzer. So it is a matte powder. Oh, shuck. This is a matte powder. Hello. Look at those colors. Yes, baby. Hey, let me see. Let me read. Someone said, hola, I'm here listening, driving. Okay, yes. So look at this. And I love how it comes with its own mirror. So that's in the color tan. And Cam doesn't keep her boxes, so we gotta throw that out. The next color of whatever this is dark. Bam. That's what the outside. These are so cute. Oh my God, look at that. Hey, Desiree, girl. Memorial Day, you already know I got some makeup. So this one is the dark. And I got that new, like it's been out about a month, I think. By Juvia's Place. Girl, go back and watch the replay. And then this color is the deep dark. Now, remember, you can still use these as like, not just as foundations, or you can use these as highlighters. You can use these as blushes. Yes. Okay, let's see what the dark look like for us chocolate girls. Okay. That is the outside display. And look. Ooh, that is so pretty. Ooh. This right here, it looks like it's like a chocolate color, but it also can pass for like a deep burgundy. Man, that's pretty. Oh, what's this kit? It's okay. I'll hold it up for you. I'll hold it up for you, Dawes Bray. So It's the Juvia's Place bronzer brownie kit. Is it brownie? Oh, bronzy kit, girl. Yes, and it's a limited edition. And it came with all of these, girl. So I'm going through each one. Yes, I went Juvia's Place crazy. They had an ugly sale, girl. They had an ugly sale. 50% off. Yes, they did. It ended, I think, yesterday. Okay, next. What is this? Oh, I don't know. It says a bronzed rustic. Okay, so what is the... Okay, so this is what it looked like. The packaging. And now I have to fight through this. I don't have anything sharp. Oh, I got something sharp here. I got a fork. A little bitty, like, lobster fork. Okay, here we go. Woo. Girls, gentlemen, whoever watching. Woo, baby. Hello. Toss that box. This is the packaging. Bam. And look at these colors. Look at that. Oh, this is an eyeshadow palette. Isn't that pretty? Yes. That's pretty, man. Now, you can buy these individually, too, but... So, next in this box. Oh, help me. I can tell you what this is. I don't need to read it. This is a lip liner. This is a lip liner. And all of these shades and colors are new, okay? They are not, well, I hope they are new. Yes, it is. Yeah, all of these are new shades. So this is just like a brown. It's called brownie. Yep, this one is called... Oh, yeah. Brownie. And it's spelled different than how we spell brownie. Okay, so we're going to put that back in there. We might need them. Okay, next we have here. Ooh. And let's see, what is this? I bet this is a lip gloss. Hello. Lip gloss, but I haven't used it yet. Let's see. Wait now. This kind of look, are these new? Wait a minute now. I hope these are new shades because this kind of look like one I have already. But I can't see the writing. Oh no, it's a new shade. I can't see what it's saying, but I can tell by the shaping of the numbers. That makes sense. They're not... I tell you, baby, it's a struggle opening these packages. All right, let's see. You guys say anything else? Let's see. Okay, next. Well, I can tell you guys, if you order this, you don't have to worry about your products being shifted all around the box. Okay, this is a lip gloss too. Ooh, I can see this. I can see this one. Ooh. Oh, I think the color is L2526. Ooh, I could see that one. All right, so wait a minute now. Let me see if I can see this. Ooh, I can see this one. L2525. Hey, I can see that one too. Next, I think these are lipsticks. But let's see. This one is called Bronzed Maple. And let's see. Ooh, Ooh, this one is pretty. Look. Ooh, Oh, look at that color. Oh, I can't wait to put, oh, I got to do a swipe on this one. Oh my God, I have to do a swipe on this one. This color is, let me see. How can I do it? That's a pretty color. Y'all see that? That's pretty. It's like it kind of looks like a burnt orange. Red. Oh my goodness, that's pretty. Yeah, that could be a burnt orange or a red. Anywho, that's a pretty color. Next color. I don't know. I may have to keep these things in their boxes because they might fall out of it. Oh, I bet this is, look at this. This is that fuchsia. Now, I don't know. I might have to mix this color with something else. This is called bronzed chestnut. So, wait a minute. Oh, wait a minute. I was holding upside down. Wait a minute. Hold on. It isn't fuchsia. It's a bronze chestnut. Oh, this is pretty. Oh. Let's see. I would use this as a liner. I think other YouTubers said that too. Yep, I would use that as a lip liner because that's kind of dark. Or combine it with another color. Now, that might work. But I think I'm going to put these back in their packaging because, yes. I think they're going to slide out of this box. Oh, buddies. Okay, so the next color is help. Make sure the pink top's at the top. This color is, oh shoot, bronze toast. And this is what the box looks like. Bronze toast. Thanks, Donna. And I have to tell you guys, for those of you that have been following me on TikTok, you already know I met a real, a monster, for like a monster. And I have a date with a monster. Yes, a monster date. Okay, and this is, oh, I already said it, bronze toast. This is what this one looks like. This looks like one I have too, but I know it's not. And bam. So that's more of a, oh, wait a minute now. I was going to say a nude color, but it depends. So there we go with those. And time for, I need to show you guys these other palettes. So I highly recommend you go out and see if you can get this bundle. This bundle of joy. Oh my gosh. Now I got this makeup everywhere. Okay, so for those of you that have never seen, oops. Now for sure I won't be putting this back in the package. This is called The Saharan by Juvia's Place. And I have this one already. So it's just an extra one. I wish I wouldn't have ripped the box like that. Could have given it away. See? All right. So that's what that color looks, that palette looks like. Garbage. By the container. Next one is this one. And I know some of you have seen this one. Some of you have this one. This is The Festival. Oh, I love the colors in this one. The Festival by Juvia's Place. Oh, baby, do I love it. Okay. Here we go. So, this is the packaging. It's so beautiful and artsy. And check these colors out. Yes, 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 and more yes. Aren't those beautiful? And actually, you can use these as blushes or eyeshadows. Yeah. Okay, toss that. Well, I have this one already. I might do something for someone with this one. Yeah, we'll keep this in the box. And this all came as a set too. So all these that I'm showing you right now all came in a package deal. Okay, next one. I don't have this one. Is this palette, and it is the Magic Mini by Juvia's Place. Let's see what these colors look like. Man, let's see. I only got all of this because it was like a package deal, and I wanted this color, and I wanted this palette. My bad, y'all. I wanted this palette and the palette I'm about to show you. Oh, man, it's so nice outside. I need to hurry up and do this makeup. Okay, and get out. This is so cute. Oh, my God. I can't believe I don't have this palette. And these are what the colors look like. Yes, they are pretty. Okay. And then I don't have this palette. And see, okay, so these are all the, they call this something. I don't know what they called it, but they called it something. And I'm going to tell you guys something. Oh, let me tell you. Attempting to open these boxes is something else. So this is the Nubian 2. Yeah, I have Nubian 1. I have Nubian 1. Okay. Ooh, I look like somebody. Nubian. Bam. And, ooh. Ooh, these colors are, oh, wow. Oh, I like the names of these, too. Ooh, check out Cleopatra. And check out Jezebel. And Sheba. Heck, check them all out. But they have some dark, pigment. And Kenya. Ooh, all these are cute. Look. Egypt's cute. Ooh, I think I might. Ooh, this palette is, man, this is nice. It has your shimmers. And then it has about 4 matte colors. And then all the rest are shimmers. This is pretty. I was lost of words with that one. Okay, so now for the clothing. So, I don't know if you guys can see this. But this is a one-piece. Ooh. One-piece jumper. Bell bottoms. And look. It goes around the neck. Something like that. Ooh, look at that V in the front, baby. And the arms are out, the sides are out, and then the back is out, and it ties around the back. Baby, I'm going to be, oh. Woo, somebody better. Okay, and then I got all these. Yeah, these are cute. Just like some leggings to run around in. And then I need jeans like crazy. And this was all from like a little boutique here. Okay, I got these. Y'all know pink is my favorite color. However, these jeans, they don't have any pockets. But, ooh, I tried these suckers on. Yes, if it wasn't so hot outside, I'd be wearing those. But I still might wear them. And then this is for the swimsuit, you know. It's like a cover-up. See that? So, yes, indeedy. There you have it. Memorial weekend shopping spree. Every time. Makeup. Although I'm surprised I haven't been wearing makeup in the last few days. So, all right. Okay, let me read some of your comments. That is pretty. Thank you. I love the V-neck. Yes, I love. Oh, it's gonna be so. Oh, it's gonna be so nice, Donna. Okay, see you guys. Thank you so much. Did I read everything? Oh, nice. I need. Oh, you said, oh, nice. I need this, Desiree. Okay. Yeah, this. Oh, girl. Yeah, this. Oh my God. You can use this as like. Some of this as powder foundation, you know, of course, your highlighters, your blushes. I mean, you got your lipstick in there. I mean, like, you could do your whole makeup look just from this box. However, there isn't any concealer in there, so no, we can't do the whole makeup look. We don't have an eyebrow pencil. So, basically, or eyebrow, whatever you use for your eyebrows. We don't have that. Although we could use the lip liner. We could use the lip liner pencil. Because it's dark enough. Let's see. Oh, Desiree said, I saw it for $134. Yep. Well, I got it for... without tax, $105. So that must have been like, I don't know how much that is, like the percentage as to how much of a discount it is from $134 to $105. I don't know, but wow, yes, girl. I got it for $105, and then with shipping and taxes, $111.56. Okay, what did you say, Donna? I'm going to get me some red wine. Girl, hello. Vacation time for me. For real. Let's see. Oh, Desiree. Donna says hi. Donna said hi, Desiree. Okay, guys. So, yes, make sure you go and watch my TikTok videos lately. Yes, a monster. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I got a date with the monster. In a week or two. But I gotta say, hey. Desiree says, hi, Donna. All right, you guys. Time for me to go get glammed up. Glammed up. So I can get out. Whew. And do me. Love you guys. See you later. Hello.